New Mexico, the land of enchantment, is a prime spot for a home care business. Its aging population, vast rural areas, and strong Medicaid support create a significant demand for in-home care. Step 1. Pick your model. Decide your service type: non-medical care for daily living support or skilled home health with medical services. Each path requires a different license. Step 2. Form your business. Form an LLC or corporation to protect your assets, register with the New Mexico Secretary of State, appoint a registered agent, and get an EIN from the IRS. Step 3. Handle taxes. Register with NM Taxation and Revenue for the state's gross receipts tax, plus withholding and unemployment taxes for your employees. Step 4. Get licensed. Apply through the New Mexico Department of Health, submitting ownership docs, policies, and staffing plans. You must pass an on-site survey and renew your license annually. Step 5. Secure insurance and funding. Get workers' comp, general and professional liability. Startup costs can hit $75,000, so explore SBA loans and local options like the New Mexico Small Business Investment Corporation. Step 6. Build your team. Hire carefully with interviews and background checks, and train staff on HIPAA and safety. Use state resources like the New Mexico Department of Workforce Solutions Job Board to find candidates. Step 7. Find clients. Partner with local clinics and senior centers, connect with hospital discharge planners for referrals, and optimize your website for local searches like senior care in Santa Fe. Pro tip: to stand out, specialize in a niche like dementia care. Ready to launch your home care agency in New Mexico? Visit carepolicy.us today. Will help you get licensed, compliant, and ready to serve your community with confidence.